Let's talk a bit about the role of AI because you had a great line when we were preparing for this that we can vibe code anything except what I'm working on right now. Well, what does that mean?
I'm on X and on LinkedIn, and I see all those people that are, vibe coding everything during the weekend. And what I meant by that is I'm the CFO of a public company. We have, a lot of obligations and we need our books to be very accurate. And, we have, legal obligations, etc. So there's like those processes are very complex and they require something that is audited and something that is end to end, has a paper trail, etc. So it's not that easy that you're gonna, vibe code anything. That's what I meant by that. We are very focused as a team on AI and how AI can accelerate those processes. So the way I'm thinking about it is I'm not going to vibe code my finance processes. I'm going to use leverage AI to help my team deliver more, being more efficient, deliver faster insights, faster reports, etc. For now, things are going to keep evolving. The technology is evolving very, very fast. I don't think my accounting process is going to be vibe coded tomorrow. It's going to take a little bit of time.
It's fascinating because there's how do you use AI for your product, and then it's how do you use AI within the guardrails of OpEx of how you go about doing your job. And Navan was a pioneer to the game when it came to customer support with Miles and Ava, I believe, are the chatbots. And so you were early with that, and the CSAT scores and NPS were very high, and the gross margin increased substantially ahead of your IPO. So that's great. But then you also have to think like as a practitioner within my own department, how am I going to apply this?
Like the culture of the company is really like tech forward. And so the accountants and the FP&A team and the legal team, everybody is thinking about how we can leverage tools to accelerate our business and be more efficient as a company. What the team has done with our platform is absolutely mind blowing. We started with this support agent Ava, as you mentioned. She's now taking 55% of our interactions with our customers, and people don't even realize they are talking to a bot. Like it's really, really good. But we are also using AI to accelerate our business. You can now book a flight or a hotel using native texting in the app. We had this new expense tool that just take pictures and automate the entire expense system. And then we have Navan Edge, which is a great planner and travel agent in your pocket. I'm really excited about the technology, not only because we are going to save money. We will and we are. It's been very efficient as you mentioned, but even more because it's going to accelerate our business.
As a CFO, you have costs come across your desk, and some of those AI token costs are for what goes into the product. Some of it's for the engineering team and also your finance team if they're using stuff. Do you look at those two costs differently in your head for AI?
Any cost has to come up with a return. And it's true if it's for finance, it's true if it's for the R&D team. It's the same process. We look at why would I spend now? What is going to be the return? How fast will I see a return? And so we do our best to estimate that. It's not always straightforward, like because you don't exactly know what you're going to get from that effort. But it's just like for any product, we are assessing the return on investment. What's really unique at Navan is our co-founder and CTO, Elon Twig, has been developing our own models, and they are way cheaper to operate, than when we buy. Now, up to 20% of the models we're using have been developed internally, and they are faster. They give us more accurate results because they are focused on travel, and they are cheaper.
Why do you think functions like finance, legal, and accounting are harder to disrupt than most people would expect? I don't think finance has truly had its AI customer support moment or like a cursor or codex moment yet.
The reason is probably compliance, right? Like the compliance requirement when you're operating a business at scale, it's very rigorous, right? There's a lot of requirements. So that I think is what has been driving this in the past. But I'm seeing a lot of progress there, like our ERP, our new, our financial forecasting system, now leveraging more and more machine learning and AI, etc. So I think finance is catching up for sure.
SaaS and AI spend is heating up, and most finance and procurement teams are already searching for shade. Uber burned through its entire 2026 AI budget in 4 months. ServiceNow did the exact same thing. Your vendors are counting on you to sweat through your next renewal and pay more than you should. Cool down your SaaS and AI spend this summer with SpendHound. Through June 12th, qualifying companies that sign up get $500 just for getting started. Teams using SpendHound reduce software and AI spend by up to 30%, using real pricing benchmarks from over 1,200 companies across 10,000 AI and SaaS vendors. So when your next renewal hits, you're not taking the heat. You know exactly what fair pricing looks like and what you should negotiate for. SpendHound also includes on-demand procurement experts who build negotiation strategies, review contracts, and ghostwrite emails on your behalf. That means you can stop getting burned by the tools you need and cut the ones that you don't before that auto-renewal torches your budget. Rated number 1 on G2 in SaaS spend management, SpendHound is free forever for teams up to 1,000 employees and only $10,000 per year for enterprise teams, with $150,000 in savings guaranteed. Don't let your vendors enjoy your summer budget more than you do. Sign up by June 12th and get $500. How's that for a hot deal? Go to spendhound.com/CJ. That's spendhound.com/CJ.